Are you using too many systems and softwares for your business? Do you feel like you're ready to streamline and pare down your tools, but you don't know where to start? What if you could save money and increase your profits just by using the Google tools you already have? Keep watching because if you missed my major training event, there are still two powerful ways for you to access that essential content. Hello and welcome. I'm Amy, a Google certified trainer and professional organizer, and I empower business owners with Google solutions. If you are already using the core apps in Google Workspace, Gmail, Drive, and Calendar as your business foundation, you are well on your way to becoming a Workspace Wizard. Today, I'll show you exactly how to access the content from the 8 Workspace Wizards Masterclasses so you can learn all that Google can do for you. Comment below with the 1 or 2 masterclass topics that are highest on your priority list right now. To learn more time-saving tips for your business, hit that subscribe button. And stick around to the end to find out how you can schedule a free clarity call with me to ensure your next step is the right one for you. If you missed the 8 Workspace Wizard Masterclasses, you missed deep dives into leveling up your Google workflows. These masterclasses cover essential topics from Google Business Profiles to email marketing to your admin panel. Here are the 2 ways that you can still learn and implement the content from those masterclasses today. Number 1, the VIP Day, Focused Implementation. If you want customized hands-on implementation, the VIP Day is your solution. During this focused session, a full or half day, we do the work together to implement your biggest priorities. We can tackle 1 or 2 of those Workspace Wizard topics in a day and customize the system for your business. This is dedicated time to move your business forward, not just study about it. Plus, every VIP day includes lifetime access to all 8 masterclasses and all Google Groupies classes, plus 30 days of chat support. Number 2, the DIY Professional Vault, Self-Paced Mastery. If you prefer to learn on your own schedule, you can purchase our DIY Professional Vault. This comprehensive solution goes far beyond just the 8 masterclass videos. The DIY Professional Vault includes all 8 masterclass videos and handouts, plus all of our Google Groupies classes that cover the basic apps like Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Drive, Sheets, Forms, and more. Plus the Small Business TNT tools and templates, giving you robust templates and resources to run your business. You'll get lifetime access to all of this content, allowing you to implement the strategies at your own pace. To summarize, accessing these topics either through a high-impact VIP day or the massive value of the DIY Professional Vault is investing in streamlined systems that save you money and increase your profits. Remember that learning to effectively use the Google apps that you're already paying for prevents unnecessary spending on additional software. Whether you choose the custom implementation of the VIP day or the robust learning library of the DIY Professional Vault, the goal is the same: becoming a true Workspace Wizard. Ready to decide which path is right for you? Schedule a free clarity call with me. We'll discuss your current systems and goals to determine how we can work best together to help you implement the masterclass content. The link is in the description below. If this video got you thinking about the many ways you can save time and money, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I look forward to helping you succeed.